Hello friends, I am Dr. Sudhir Shah, advocate. I advise people on USA immigration laws. In this 15th chapter of visa window, I want to tell you something more about L1 visa. L1 visa are granted to intra-company transferee, manager, executive or person with specialized knowledge. The procedure is that an Indian company who is doing well here should establish its branch or wholly owned subsidiary or a partnership with a US company having majority share by themselves. Then that company will open a bank account and the Indian company should transfer about $2 lakh into that bank account. There is no prescribed limit, but $2 lakh are sufficient. If you can transfer more, good. Then you have to file a petition through that American company, I-129 with L supplement. Along with that petition, a support letter has to be given in which information detailed concerning the Indian company, the person who is to be deputed in America as a manager, executive or person with specialized knowledge, information about him, his qualification, what he is doing here and what he will do in USA. Then also a business plan of doing business in America should be submitted. It normally takes about 4 to 6 months or little more for processing and approving this petition. But if you pay premium processing fees, it will be decided within 15 days. But today, what the immigration authorities do is that they send you a request for further evidence within 15 days. Anyhow, you can obtain an L1 visa within 2 to 4 months. And once you receive this L1 visa, you can go there, stay in America for 7 or 5 years. Your spouse and children below the age of 21 years, they can also go there. The spouse can, after taking permission, work there. Children can study there. And in between, your company can also apply for your green card. So friends, those who want to do business in America, L1 visa is the best option, provided you do not close your Indian business when you go to USA. Business at both the places should continue. And if you want to know anything more about L1 visa, you are most welcome to consult me. Do not take any tension about US visa, about USA immigration. Main hu na. And friends, during this lockout period, I am also giving you free guidance between 5 to 6 p.m. every day. So you can phone me on my mobile 98204 19469. Okay? Namaste. Jai Hind.